afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to delve into some more information about probate, but today we are going to talk specifically about guardianship. So did you know that if you were incapacitated, you did not have any estate planning documents which would determine who would handle your financial affairs or your medical affairs, the court will be the one to decide who that person is going to be and not your family. Today we are talking about guardianship. Why planning ahead is going to help you from going through the guardianship process. Guardianship in Georgia is a legal process where the court appoints someone to make decisions for an adult who can no longer make decisions for themselves. There is an additional guardianship process for minors, but we are specifically talking about the guardianship process for an adult ward who is incapacitated and does not have any documents to determine who handles that estate. There are two main roles of a guardian. So the guardian who is going to be over your personal and healthcare decision, that's going to be guardianship. And if someone is going to be over your financial affairs, managing your money or property, that is going to be a conservator. Again, in both instances, the person has become incapacitated, usually due to dementia, illness, injury, and they generally do not have a power of attorney in place. But why you want to avoid guardianship is because guardianship can be expensive. It's time consuming. It's sometimes emotionally stressful for families. It requires court hearings, medical evaluations, ongoing reporting, and sometimes this creates conflicts between families. And then the person who is receiving the guardianship, the ward, is going to actually lose the right to make decisions about their money, where they live, or their medical care. And the court is basically stepping into their lives. So there's always a better alternative. A less expensive alternative is going to be creating a power of attorney and having an advanced healthcare directive in place. Also, this can be discussed in a trust as well. So you want to prevent guardianship by planning ahead. If you're in Georgia and you want to protect your family from court involvement, reach out to learn more about the guardianship process and how you can set up the right documents to protect yourself and your family.